Well, with gift giving in full swing, it is so easy to get overwhelmed. But we've got great help for you today from lifestyle expert Kate DuPont. Hi, Kate. Where do we start?
Hey there! That's right, I've got some great gift ideas for everyone. So let's start with the beauty lovers on your list. Next up is a great option for those suffering from hair loss. I brought in HairMax, the pioneer in laser hair growth, and their laser band is an FDA-cleared, clinically proven laser treatment for hair growth. It treats hair loss, stimulates hair growth, and reverses thinning with laser light that energizes and enlivens hair follicles to grow denser, fuller hair. The treatment only takes a few minutes, 3 days weekly, and clinical studies show 129 new hairs per square inch increase over 26 weeks. Pair it with HairMax for density hair and scalp treatments for the perfect gift. The system is made with a proprietary NRG8 Plex formula, and something called liposome technology delivers the active ingredients to the scalp, and these products also work to enhance the treatment of their laser devices. Learn more at hairmax.com and check out their holiday discounts going on right now.